Hello, in this video we are going to see that how we can create and format a pie chart inside the Power BI. So let's get started. This is a report view and these are different types of charts, and this is a pie chart. So to insert this pie chart inside the view, we just have to click here and it will be inserted inside the view. Now let's increase its size. So now you can see different elements for the pie chart, for example, legend, values, details, and tooltips. We will add data inside these elements. So here is our data. We will add cells inside the values, and we will add categories inside the legend. So here is our pie chart. Make sure that you have not more than 5 elements inside the legend. For example, right now we have 3 elements: office supplies, furniture, and technology. These elements represent the slices. So if you will have greater number of elements, they will create greater number of slices. So in this way, your data will be misrepresented. Now let's format the pie chart. Right now you can see that these categories are outside the pie chart, and here we have to do some effort to find out the values for the category. For example, if I see here technology, so the color of technology is this. So this is technology and these are values for the technology. Now instead of this, let's add all information with this label. So for this, we will come here in Format tab, and in Format tab, we will click on Detail Labels. In Label Contents, we will click and we will click on All Detail Labels. Now you can see all the details. For example, this slice is for technology and it has value 1 million, that constitutes 14.01%, and similar for others. Now we don't need these categories, so let's turn the legend off. Now let's collapse the detail labels and expand the slices. Here you can see all the colors for the slices, so you can change the colors for these slices. For example, I want to change the color of this office supply, so I will click here and I will change it into yellow. Now let's format the data labels of this pie chart. So again, we will come here in detail labels, and now we will come here in values. In values, we will increase the size for these values and we will make them bold and we will change their color. So here you can see, and here is our title. Let's format this title. So to format the title, we have to come here in general, and in general here is an option title. So here in title we will align it at the center. We will increase its size, make it bold, and change its color to pure black. So this is how we can create pie chart inside the Power BI. That's all for this video.